Hello friends, welcome to 5 Best Tools Hub. A cordless car polisher is a powerful tool designed to help car enthusiasts and professionals achieve a smooth, high-gloss finish on their vehicle's paintwork. Unlike traditional cord polishers, these models offer the convenience of mobility and ease of use, allowing you to move freely without being restricted by power cords. Cordless car polishers are typically equipped with rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, making them ideal for both at-home use and on-the-go detailing. Whether you're polishing, waxing, or removing scratches, a cordless car polisher provides an efficient and versatile solution, making it a must-have tool for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's appearance with minimal hassle. Number 1. Vevor Cordless Car Polisher. The Vevor 20V cordless car polisher is a solid choice for DIY enthusiasts looking to maintain their car's exterior with ease. This cordless buffer polisher offers a convenient and efficient solution for polishing, buffing, and waxing your vehicle without the hassle of dealing with cords or power outlets. The Vevor 20V cordless car polisher is an affordable and efficient tool for those looking to maintain their vehicle's finish with ease. With its long-lasting battery, ergonomic design, and smooth performance, it stands out as a solid choice for DIY enthusiasts. If you're in the market for a reliable cordless polisher that can handle home polishing projects, this Vevor model is certainly worth considering. Number 2. Batoca S2 Cordless Car Polisher. The Batoca S2 weighs 1.3 kilograms, which makes it relatively lightweight and easy to handle for extended periods without causing fatigue. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, which is important when polishing surfaces for a long time. The polisher uses a brushless motor, ensuring less wear and tear and better durability over time. The Batoca S2 cordless car polisher is a reliable and powerful tool for car enthusiasts and DIYers alike. Its lightweight design, adjustable speed settings, and long-lasting battery life make it a great option for those seeking an efficient yet affordable polishing solution. Whether you're polishing your car, boat, or other vehicles, this tool offers excellent value for money. Number 3. Workpro Cordless Car Polisher. The Workpro Cordless Car Polisher is a reliable tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts looking to achieve professional-level results in car detailing without the hassle of cords. This battery-powered polisher provides great flexibility and maneuverability, making it perfect for polishing, buffing, and waxing your vehicle. The Workpro Cordless Car Polisher is an excellent choice for anyone looking to achieve a shiny, polished car without the need for expensive professional services. Its ease of use, portability, and affordability make it perfect for DIY enthusiasts, offering an enjoyable polishing experience with impressive results. If you're a home user who needs a reliable and versatile tool, this car polisher is a solid option. Number 4. Vilasting Cordless Car Polisher. The Vilasting Cordless Car Polisher is a solid option for DIY enthusiasts looking to achieve professional quality results from the comfort of their own garage. This model is compatible with Makita, DeWalt, and Milwaukee power tools, making it a versatile choice for anyone already invested in those brands. The polisher's design and features cater specifically to home DIY users, aiming to provide a smooth, high-performance experience when buffing or polishing a car. The Vilasting Cordless Car Polisher is a reliable, battery-powered tool that stands out for its performance and compatibility with major tool brands like Makita, DeWalt, and Milwaukee. It's a perfect choice for those seeking a practical, safe, and effective polishing solution for home use. Whether you're polishing your car, boat, or even tackling other DIY projects, this polisher offers solid performance at an affordable price. Number 5. Ikeborm EK8802 Cordless Car Polisher. The Ikeborm EKD802 cordless car polisher is an efficient and easy-to-use tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts looking to maintain or restore the shine of their vehicle. With its lightweight design 1.5 kilograms, this polisher offers excellent portability and maneuverability, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. The Ikeborm EKD802 cordless car polisher is a solid choice for car owners who want an affordable, easy-to-use tool for maintaining the appearance of their vehicle. Its cordless nature, powerful motor, and ergonomic design make it an excellent option for DIY car detailing. If you're looking to restore your car's finish and enhance its shine without the complexity of professional-grade equipment, this polisher is a great investment. Many thanks for watching this video.